How to learn good communication skills in Konkani, effective way to learn Konkani and alphabet wise. Yes, this channel konkanilearn.com is going to teach you viewers Konkani language in a very easy and simple way, that is alphabet wise, and today's alphabet is N. Common words starting with N I have collected for this video. The same words you can find in my site konkanilearn.com. So without wasting much of your time, I will come to the main point. I want to learn Konkani, good Konkani. This is what I hear from many tourists visiting the beautiful man-made heaven, the Eden Garden called Goa. Konkani language is simple and Indo-Aryan language spoken primarily along the Konkan coast. This part provides the basic Konkani words used in everyday conversations starting with the alphabet N. The first word, nard. Nard. Crook, cheat, swindler. Na-dop. Na-dop. Lose honor. Nat. Nat. Dance. Natoita. Natoita. Making someone dance. Nat naka. Nat naka. Don't dance. Nag. Nag. Cobra. Nagoi. Cheat. Swindle. Nagoi. Cheat. Swindle. Nagoita. Cheating. Swindler. Nagoita. Cheating. Swindler. Nagro. Nagro. Naked, nude, undressed, and it is referred to a male. Nagro. Naked, nude, undressed. Nagde. Nagde. Naked, nude, undressed, and it is referred to a female. Naka. Don't want. Naka. Don't want. Nak. Nak. Nose. One phrase with alphabet N. Moje nak chod dukta. Moje nak chod dukta. My nose is paining too much. Next word. Nakacher. On the nose. Nakacher. On the nose. Na. Na. No. Nakut. Nakut. Nail. That is singular. Nakuta. Nakuta. Nails. Plural. Nakatlian. Nakatlian. Through the nose. Nasto. Nasto. Breakfast. Natak. Natak. Drama. Play. Natkule. Natkule. Short play. Nath. Nati. Nath. Wo Nati. Granddaughter. Natura. Natura. Young grandchildren. Natal. Natala. Natal. Wo Natala. Christmas. Naranje. Naranje. Orange. That is singular. Naranji. Naranji. Oranges. That is plural. Now. Now. Name. Nawa. Nawa. Names. Nauta. Nauta. Taking shower. Taking bath. Konkani is a dialect of Marathi. So, learning Konkani for a Maharashtrian will not be difficult. One phrase with alphabet N continues. Eyes are now pak wasong chintalong. Eyes are now pak wasong chintalong. I was planning to go for a bath. Now. Now. Take shower. Take a bath. Nasht. Nasht. Destroy. Nenar. Nenar, ignorant, innocence. Nento, young child. Young child, that is nento for a male. Nente, nente, young child, a female. Nes, nes, dress. Nespache, nespache, dressing. Knees, knees, true, real. Nizato, nizato, true, real. Learn Konkani, go on Konkani. Let's communicate in Konkani. One phrase with alphabet N. Ao tuzo niz mo korta. Ao tuzo niz mo korta. I love you truly. Next word, ni ro. Ni ro. Fresh cashew juice. Newdun. Newdun, elected. Nivol. Nivol, clean. Nivol san. Nivol san, cleanliness. Nuste. Nuste, fish. Next word, nustyakara. Fisher folks. Nustyakara, fisher folks. Nustyakar. Nustyakar, fisherman. Nustyakan. Nustyakan, fisher woman. Nol. Nol, tap. Nolatlian. Nolatlian, through the tap. Nole. Nole, roof tiles. Nokre, flirtatious. Nokre, flirtatious. Nokketre. Nokketre, star. Nokketra. Nokketra, stars. Namaskar, salutation. Namaskar, salutation. Nove. Nove, new. Novyan. Novyan, newly. Noro. Noro, groom. Nore. Nore, grooms. Noshib. Noshib, luck. One phrase with alphabet N. Munshak bore noshib asongzai. Munshak bore noshib asongzai. A human should have good luck. Friends, we have come to the end of the video. Watch my last two videos which will come after the end of the video. There are already 27 videos in this channel so far. Have a look at them, as all the videos are very important to learn Konkani. Leave some comments if you have any doubts on any particular word. I will be glad to help you. Till then, take care. Mog asundi. Bye-bye.